Exploring Microsoft Power Virtual Agents. Microsoft Power Virtual Agents are chatbots that leverage conversational AI to provide virtual assistance for various tasks. These chatbots can streamline customer service processes, automate workflows, and enhance team collaboration, all while providing a personalized and efficient experience for users. Chatbots for customer service. With Power Virtual Agents, businesses can create custom chatbots specifically designed for customer support. These virtual agents are equipped with natural language understanding and Azure integration, allowing them to provide timely and accurate solutions to customer inquiries. The benefits of using Microsoft Power Virtual Agents: improved customer experiences. Virtual agents can provide multi-channel support and personalized interactions for customers, leading to higher satisfaction rates. Increased productivity. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, businesses can save time and resources, allowing employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. Advanced functionality. Power Virtual Agents offer advanced chatbot functionality, including machine learning capabilities for proactive customer engagement and data-driven decision-making. Strategic chatbot deployment. When implementing Power Virtual Agents, businesses can strategically deploy chatbots for various functions, including sales automation, IT automation, and customer support. By analyzing chatbot analytics, organizations can optimize their virtual agents for maximum impact and efficiency. In conclusion, Microsoft Power Virtual Agents are a powerful tool for enhancing business productivity, customer satisfaction, and digital transformation.